So we're here at King Edward Mine. This is the first time the forge has been lit in, I want to say, at least 5 or 10 years now, possibly longer than that. And I'm a current CSM student, so we're continuing through the generations, and old CSM students probably would have used this forge, and now we've got second year geology CSM students using the forge. But fingers crossed, third attempt to get it lit. Hopefully it'll work, and then we'll do a few bits over the anvil.
Primarily, I'm a medieval armour smith, so I've made a great helm which the Templars used to wear, and a few van bracers, and a current project I'm working on is actually a leg guard. But primarily I do armour smithing, so I work with sheet metal. But in terms of blacksmithing, I have made my own hammers, and I'm starting to expand out into other projects. So yeah, anything that you can shape metal with your bare hands, well, I say bare hands, a hammer, it's the kind of stuff I like to do. So we're here at King Edward Mine. We've just about got some cherry red heat. You want to have a go, Ollie? No, it's fine. Oh, come on. No, not today. Oh, come on. No, just set it up, see the kind of things we want to make. Oliver, what kind of things do you want to make?
Anything you want, I'll follow your lead. So.
Steel cutting in the medieval era, or at least before we had kind of angle grinders, conventionally you need to use something like this, which is a small swage block. You can place your steel in. Now I'm hoping I've got it hot enough to be able to do this, but you'd essentially be hitting it between that and acting like a knife. So fingers crossed. Okay, it did fly off, but we successfully cut the end. And yeah, that's how you cut steel in the medieval era, with a hammer and a small thing that's lodged in my anvil.
Oh, very good. Perfect.